Yes, PJ, I'm glad we won the toss. Are you playing, Sunny? Because I'm not playing. I don't want to make this match non-serious. But our team is going to bat first.
Imran, before I let you guys go out there, can you tell us a little bit more about your cancer project?
Well, this match is really in aid of the cancer hospital, which we were scheduled to open in December. But because of certain political problems in Pakistan, we've postponed the opening to March now. And so whatever proceeds of the day will go towards the cancer hospital.
Now, Sunil, you have brought all your boys all over from India for this generous appeal. What do you have to say on that?
Well, this is a great cause, and as I've said before, this disease does not understand any color or creed or class. It affects anybody. And if Imran is doing something to help alleviate the suffering of the people in Pakistan, we as Indians who are neighbors of Pakistan are only too happy to come and contribute. Also, it's a way of expressing our regards for Imran and his contribution to cricket, not just to Pakistan's cricket, but to world cricket.
And how do you see the game being played tonight?
Well, like most Pakistan and Indian games, they'll be competitive, but in a healthy sort of way. It won't be